How to easily add Amazon Pay to your Shopify checkout. Here's how to add Amazon Pay to your Shopify store. Fast and simple. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left menu, click Settings and then choose Payments. Under Third-Party Providers, click Add Payment Method and you'll see a list. Search for Amazon Pay if you don't see it and click to set it up. Now, if you don't have an Amazon Payments merchant account, you need to sign up at pay.amazon.com. Make sure to enter the exact business details that match your Shopify store, and once approved, go back to Shopify and enter your Amazon Pay merchant ID and access keys. You'll find these in your Amazon Pay account under Integration Settings. After entering your credentials, click Activate Amazon Pay and done! Amazon Pay is now added to your checkout, so you can receive the payments on your Amazon, giving your customers a trusted and fast way to pay. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.